Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is a video about the floor renovation wherein we replace the cracked and old flooring to a brand new flooring. Before we get into the video, let me show you a few images or videos to know more about this particular floor renovation. So as you could see in the images or videos, there were a few cracked tiles and few other tiles which were chipped off completely from the floor bed. This happened from a minute airline crack on the tile which continued to grow bigger, making walking highly impossible. So what causes a tile to crack? There are several reasons for a tile to crack. They may be heavy impact, poor installation of tiles, poor tile quality, expansion and contraction of materials, and subfloor issues. In our case, the tile crack was due to the poor installation of the tiles. Coming to the major part, how did we solve this particular issue? If the tile crack was minimal, that is, if it was confined to 2 or 3 tiles, replacing them alone would have been a better solution. But the crack was to an extent that we had to replace the entire floor tiles in the living area. The steps which we followed in this particular floor renovation are breaking and removing the old floor tiles, removing the old cement bed, checking for any cracks in the subfloor, laying new cement bed, leveling of the cement bed, installation of the new floor tiles, and the final step was grouting and cleaning of the newly installed floor tiles. So this is a video about the floor renovation services by Sri Hari Groups Bangalore. For more such information about home renovation and interior designs, please visit our website or call to number 9513239349 to know more. Thank you.